What's good, YouTube? Today we got the brand new Slate Grey Yeezy Slides. One of these is actually not the Slate Grey Yeezy Slide. This right here is the Slate Marine Yeezy Slide, and this right here is the Slate Grey Yeezy Slide. Two very similar colorways, as you can see. We're gonna be looking at what's inside this box today, an on-foot look of the Slate Grey Yeezy Slide, and a comparison to the Slate Marine Yeezy Slide. So let's get straight into today's video. So here we got the brand new Slate Grey Yeezy Slides. These happen to drop on August 18th, 2023 for a retail price of $70. Currently reselling for about $90 to $100. And right here on the right, we have the Slate Marine Yeezy Slide, which is a very similar colorway, as you can see. Only a slight difference between the two slides. So now let's get onto what's inside the Slate Grey box. So here we have the box for the Slate Grey Yeezy Slides. When you initially open the box, you get the typical Yeezy wrapping paper. And then you have the Slate Grey Slides right here. And then you also have the little size tag that gives you the information about the slide. And that's all that's inside the box today. No little hate card that comes with the other Yeezy drops that were earlier this month, such as the Stone Salt foam runners, which I unboxed in one video, and the 450 slides, which I unboxed in another video. But the same exact packaging as the Slate Marine Slides. So now let's get onto an on-foot look of these slides. So here we have the brand new Slate Grey Slides on foot. I'd say they're very comfortable, just like the typical Yeezy slide. I decided to get them in a size 11 because that's what Adidas told me to get on the Adidas Confirmed app, because I typically wear a size 10 to a 10.5. So it told me to go a full size up. So I decided to purchase the size 11. And they got the grayish tone, hence the name Slate Grey. And here we have the Slate Marine Yeezy Slide. Give you all a little on-foot comparison between the two. Say the colorways are very, very similar. You can almost barely tell the difference. And if I had to come down to it, I'd probably choose the Slate Grey because I like them slightly more, even though you can't really tell the difference between the two colorways. And that's pretty much going to end up the video today, guys. If you mess with my content, make sure to check out my Slate Marine review where I compare them to the Onyx slides. I also have a Stone Salt foam runner video, which you guys can check out. And there's also a Yeezy 450 cream slide colorway video that you guys can check out. Those videos will all be linked in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one.